how to do short trade on Bybit spot. So first up, after you open up the Bybit app like this, go to trade section. After you go to your trade section, so now we tap on this PS and select the PS you want to trade. So for this video, I want to trade the LTC, that's Litecoin. So Litecoin is USDT. After you select the PS you want to short, so tap on this sell button. After you tap on the sell button, so you can tap on this option. Now there is different option. So there is limit and there is market. So for this video, I'll go to this my market. After you select the market, so the market means that if you select the market, if you want to short, there is no wait for some limit or some like range of money or some range of price before your market will execute. So if you select the market, it will just automatically just short the market for you and sell it for you. So let's say I want to sell like 5 amount of LTC. After you type in the amount of LTC you want to sell from this option, and then you tap on this sell button using the market price. So I'll tap on this sell. So as you can see now, I automatically sell my LTC. I short my LTC using the current market price. But if you want to just short using limits, you can tap on this limit button. I short market and choose the limit. After you choose the limit from this option, so here is, as you can see now the current market price. So the current market price of the LTC is 76.03. So now if I want to set my own specific price that I want to sell, I'll tap on this option. Now I type in my amount, so this option. So let's say I want to sell my LTC when the market goes to 80. So whenever the price of the LTC go to 80, like go to $80 in this option, so from there my price will automatically be executed, whether I'm inside the Bybit app or I close the Bybit app. Just Bybit will automatically sell my crypto, that sell the short the market for me. So after you type in your desired amount in this option, so now you type in the quantity you want to sell, or you just order the value, add the value in the USDT. Let's say I want to add 300, or let's just 300, yes. Let's say 3,000. So for the 3,000, I will be just selling 37.5 amount of LTC. If I tap on this sell trading button, so I'll just confirm sell. So from there, if you just scroll to down here, you'll be able now to see the market. So how here is it? So now my order will be in this option for a long period of time until the market goes to $80. So whenever the LTC goes to 80 USDT, so from there this short trade will automatically be executed. So that's it, guys. If you want to cancel it, you can tap on this cancel button. If you want to modify or change the price, you can tap on this change and change the price. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.